फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सो फैंटास्टिक्स, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं एक सुपर सुपर क्लियर जिगली स्लाइम। नाउ आई नो यू गाइस लव 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 जिगली स्लाइम so much, and yes guys, I am going to make some really cool little water jiggly slime. So if you guys want to know how to make that, then keep on watching. And this jiggly slime is going to be like no borax, no contact lens solution, but I am going to make it without any activators, and I'm going to show you guys another amazing activator of mine which you guys have might seen, but some of you guys also have never seen that. So yeah, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if your subscribe button looks like this and not this. So yeah guys, that's it. Now without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So I am going to show you guys how to make this specific activator, but if you still want to check out some normal activators, I will give a link on the I button. You guys can go and check it out. There is a playlist of all of my activators. So yeah, now let's see how we can make this activator, and this is like specific activator for jiggly slimes. Like if you want to make clear jiggly slime, so you guys can choose this activator rather than traditional borax. But sometimes some people, like borax is super complex, so some people kind of does not know how to make slime with borax and how to actually operate it. So yeah, now let's see how we can make this. And I am first going to take some boiling water. So yeah, let's take some boiling water. So fantastics, now I have some boiling water. This is about 1 cup. So if you guys are making it just like how I made it, if you are under 15, you guys can take your elder brother sister's help or your parents' help in this step. Please be careful. And yeah, you don't want to burn yourself. So next step is to take some baking soda. In 1 cup of hot water, you need to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda, about 1 teaspoon. So yeah, you need to take it and mix it like super good. Otherwise, we are making a clear slime and we don't want our clear slime to turn this color. It should clear up really soon. And now our second ingredient and the most important ingredient is boric acid. And now you guys, I know what you are going to say. Boric acid is like super safe. It's not like anything poisonous or anything like that. And this is like super cheap. Can you guys see the price? 25 grams of boric acid just for 25 rupees. And we don't need a lot of tablespoons of boric acid. We just need literally a little bit of it, like literally just a pinch of boric acid. But this is kind of similar to my contact lens solution recipe. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, you guys can go on the I button and check it out. And now I am going to add some boric acid. So you guys, boric acid looks like this. You don't need a lot of boric acid. You just need couple of pinches, like this much. It's not a lot. You guys can see how little that is. So we need since we have take a teaspoon, we can take half teaspoon, like not like a lot, but half teaspoon. Guys, can you see? Just that much. And we need to mix it super nicely so that our activator can form. Can you guys hear that? It is bubbling kind of. And now you guys need to just mix it all together. If you guys are hearing some noises, please ignore. As you guys can see, it is pretty much clear. But you guys, if you like let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes, it will get super clear. So when I use it in my slime, until that point it will be like super clear. So yeah, just let it get mixed and our activator is ready. It's literally just this easy and you guys can pretty much make all kinds of slime. So now let's go and start making our slime. Now let's take our slime bowl and let's start making our slime. So here it is, and now let's start making our slime. Now as you guys can see, now I am going to add the clear glue. And if you are making a smaller batch, I will suggest you guys to take 2 tablespoons of glue and 5 to 6 tablespoons of water, because that's what the ratio is to my slime. Like my slime, it is kind of like half and half ratio, but I am going to add water to it now. You guys can see how much of water I have added. And now you need to just mix it like anything. You need to keep on mixing it like until it's like one consistency of glue and water mixed together. So yeah, now let's start mixing it. Glue and our water is pretty much mixed together very nicely. So now we are going to mix our activator, and this will give us almost our instant clear or instant jiggly slime, guys. And let's start activating our slime. So this is our activator. Now you don't want to take your activator from the bottom, because you guys can see there is a little bit of residue there, but the top layer is pretty much super clean. So now we are going to start adding this one by one like this, and we'll start activating our slime. It is activating, as you guys can see. You just need to keep on stirring like this. So when your slime gets activated, you'll know it. Yes, now I am going to fast forward it. You guys can see the activation process. So fantastic, as you guys can see, this is how our super jiggly water slime looks. It is already activated and I have played with it for a little while. It will get super clear in like 24 hours. So let me just keep it here and let's see how jiggly this is. Like this is pretty much super jiggly at this point, but yeah, we'll see. So this is how it looks right now. It's super jiggly, so it's super watery as well. So this is how it looks. So now let's see when it gets cleared. So fantastic, after one day this is how it looks. It's super clear. It just has a little bit of bubble layer. So fantastic, as you guys can see, this is how it looks in one complete day. It gets like super clear, and as you guys can see my fingers from here. So it is a very nice recipe and it is a super jiggly, like literally this looks like water, you guys. It's amazing. And yeah guys, that's all. So took like literally just 10 hours and it is like so clear. Let's hear the ASMR. Can you guys see how clear the slime is? Can you guys see how jiggly it is? Let me take a little bit of slime and show you guys. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. That's my fingers. So this is how my jiggly clear slime looks. I am like literally so thrilled because this is like first time I have made this clear jiggly slime. If you guys have watched till here, then please make sure to give this video a like if you guys like this video, and comment down this purple heart emoji if you guys have seen this video until here. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll soon see you guys in another amazing video. Bye bye.